Ever have a hard time getting started on a task? Too often we try to shift gears too quickly. What you need is a jump start. Welcome to the Mindful Productivity, where I teach you concepts, techniques, and frameworks that help you work more effectively on your most important goals. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the red subscribe button below and be sure to click the bell to make sure you get all the videos. So what is a jump start? A jump start is something that's easy that prepares you for a harder activity. It helps you get in the mood. Jump starts help you shift gears and get in the right mindset for your next task. For example, say you need to go running next. Well, maybe 15 minutes or half an hour before you get running, put on your running clothes. That will slowly and subtly change your mindset and get you in the mood for running, making you less likely to procrastinate. But the same tactic can be applied for other things. For instance, there's a jump start called Edit to Create. So instead of jumping straight into creation, maybe that's writing, maybe that's programming, maybe that's painting. Instead of doing something like that, what you need to do is take a step back and be critical first. Go and edit something in the same medium. So take out a piece of writing you did before and start editing it. That will shift your mind into working within that creative medium and then make it much easier to write after that. So whenever you're struggling to jump into a creative space, Edit to Create is a jump start that you can use to do that. Another technique is Create to Flow. And this is where you immediately start creating, but you don't worry about what you're creating. You just create anything. For instance, you might sit down and you just start writing on paper and writing whatever comes to mind. And don't worry about it making sense. That will shift your mind into the writing mode and then allow you to get into a flow state for writing. Same with any sort of creative endeavor. If you're working on programming, just start doing anything, right? Create some little feature that you've always wanted to create that gets you into the mindset and then suddenly makes it much more easy to start focusing on what you really need to focus on. Finally, there's frivolous to important. This is where you take something that is completely not important, just small little things that are frivolous to do, but that gives you momentum by doing them. By doing those small things, it puts you into the mood of accomplishing things so you can start working on your more important things. Now, if you choose something that you've been waiting a long time to do, that's going to give you a lot of satisfaction to get it done, even better. It gets you into that mode of, yay, I accomplished that. Now, jump starts are personal. So what works for me may not work for you. So what I encourage you to do is pay attention to what seems to be working and experiment. Try out different things. And then write them down, name them. Say, this is my jump start. This is my Edit to Create jump start. And then try to figure out when those jump starts work for you. And so then you start having this palette of different jump starts you can use whenever you're not in the mood or you're feeling like procrastinating to shift into them. Now, the key though is you want to avoid getting lost into jump starts. Jump starts shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. The goal isn't to shift into the activity. The goal is to use the activity, to use the jump start to shift gears. So if you are getting lost in it and it becomes a distraction, it is no longer a jump start. Want more jump start ideas? Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be doing additional videos on other jump starts that can help you shift your mood, avoid procrastination, and get into work better. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the big red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and get future content like this. Thank you and have a productive day.